This is my personal car, my Barbie car. So just want to point out a few of the items that are on my car that we sell. So firstly, actually, we got the tow hook, tow strap at the back. We got tow straps, various colours. Our exhaust systems, which you can see on this one. We also do the upgraded 18mm rear sway bars. We do the custom sway bar link kits on the back here. We've got the upgraded aftermarket tow bolts, which are an absolute must when it comes to tow bolts. If anyone's had issues with factory ones, you'll understand why. We've also got a set of rock solid bushers in here as well. The shocker side of things, we do a heavy duty bolt kit for the rear, which will come with a camber stop, which prevents the wheel from ever coming all the way in and rubbing on the side of the shocker. It comes with a shim, which takes up the tolerance gap on the shocker to the actual upright. We also sell the camber lock washer kit, so we can set and forget the camber for the rear. What else we've got here? We've got a braided brake hose kit, which is on there. Any of these things, just a reminder, this is what we've got, this is what we sell. So take a look on the website. Any questions, you know what to do.